Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. We all routinely clean a lot of things around our house, especially our dishes and our glasses, silverware, pots and pans, every time we use them, right? Yeah, most of us do. Have you ever thought about cleaning your toothbrush? Yeah, your toothbrush. We have a lot of bacteria that routinely lives in our mouth. It's there for a reason. We need it. We have good bacteria and not so friendly bacteria in there as well. And after we brush our teeth, a lot of that bacteria can remain on that toothbrush, even though we rinse it off with some water. That does help, but some are going to linger behind. Have you ever thought about cleaning that off before you go to use it again? It can help to prevent some gingivitis and some mouth infections. So we need to start cleaning our toothbrush. Now, I've got a couple suggestions for you that are really easy. One, you could keep a bottle of plain old 3% hydrogen peroxide handy in your bathroom. And before you go to brush your teeth, put just a little bit of it on your toothbrush as you're reaching for your toothpaste. Watch that stuff bubble up. That's an indication that there's stuff on your toothbrush. Ew. And you can rinse it off after it's done bubbling and proceed with brushing your teeth, or you can rinse it off and apply it again just to be sure the bubbling is not going to happen again. And this really doesn't take long. It's a matter of seconds for that bubbling to stop, okay? So it really is not going to tie you up in the bathroom for any length of time, especially if you have a tight schedule in the morning. So that's one way. Another way you could do this, especially if peroxide is not your thing, you could mix up a solution of half a cup of water and 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Keep that in your bathroom. After you're finished brushing your teeth in the evening, or any time for that matter, just put your toothbrush upside down so that it's submerged in that solution. And you really only need to do that about, at least once a week, but just to really keep things clean, you could just do it overnight. And how long each time? At least 30 minutes, but if you put it in there overnight, hey, you're really good to go. Give it a good rinse so that your toothpaste doesn't taste like vinegar when you're all finished, and you're good to go. Change that solution out periodically on a routine basis too if you're going to do that, to make sure it's fresh and viable. I do hope this helps. This is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Bye for now.